Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this, trying to help somebody, and you can see the fuzziness. And I started playing around with this design, and I only used 9 blocks instead of 12 this time, but I'm going to draw a 2-inch square. My number lock is not locked. And let's see what our nudge factor is, still 2.5, which is good. So we're going to go Control D. This time we're just going to do 9. I hit F4. Okay. And then just Control D and go down. Now this time we're not going to play with the edges, but I'm going to make all of them that light blue, and I'm going to take away the outline. Now I want to group them together. Go to Object and Group or Control G. Now we're going to use that same envelope tool we did yesterday. We're going to grab this. We're going to go to Effects in Envelope, Place Inside Frame, and look at that. Now I'm going to straighten it up like this. So I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Now what I want to do is take an ellipse, and I'm going to fill it in with black, take away the outline, make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to hit P to put it in the center page, P to put it in the center of the page. It just makes it a lot easier. So we're going to take this and go to Object, Order Back a Page. And we get that. Now we're going to take both these. We've selected them both. We're going to go to Effects and Blend. And blending 200 times would be good. And look at the effect. It makes it look like they're, to me, it kind of looks like a sponge. And you could play around with, different things. And, I don't know if it would help to have this bigger or smaller. Let's try making it smaller. Grab them both. Yeah, it makes it maybe a little bit darker, but then when you put a black box around it, Object Order Back a Page, it really makes it stand out. I'm going to work on it some more. I'd like to really get it more defined, but it does look like, to me, it looks like a been cut and kind of spread open effect. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.